Getting familiar with the new SigmaTicketing homepage. On the new SigmaTicketing homepage, we've created the layout and we've added some key features. The menu bar on the top part of your homepage enables you to get a quick access to your organization structure, ticket management, which will give you access to the complete list of your tickets, and the list of SigmaTicketing users, which will give you a report in a PDF file of all users that have access to your ticketing tool within your organization. There are three key features that have been added to the portal. First, you see a set of three large buttons for quick and easy access to the ticket management, the list of SigmaTicketing users, and the online help. Each of these buttons serve a specific purpose. The first one, ticket management, enables you to access the dynamic grid where you will find all the tickets that were created in this old SigmaTicketing tool. Next, the list of the SigmaTicketing users button will give you access to a PDF file of all the users that can create tickets in your company. And finally, the online help button will allow you to consult an online help where you'll have print screens and steps, which will guide you through the creation and consultation of tickets. The second addition to the new SigmaTicketing is the section with graphics. When you enter your SigmaTicketing portal, you can see the number of tickets per category with their status. In the left graphic, you will find all active tickets with their status, and on the right side, you have the complete list of tickets by category, including the tickets that are closed. With the graphics, you can get a good overview of all tickets that were created for your company. When you scroll down, you find the dynamic grids that allow you to access your tickets. The first grid, in the tickets with action expected from customer list, are all the tickets that require your attention for further action. The second dynamic grid, named tickets with action expected from Sigma HR, enables you to view which tickets Sigma HR is currently working on to provide you with an answer.